the difference of 20 and 4. So you're not supposed to solve this. We're just going to express them in terms of algebraic expression. We're not supposed to solve them. So here, the key word is the difference of. So it means we are pertaining to what operation? As you can see, we have the difference of. We're pertaining to what operation? Can you please type in your answer? What operation are we pertaining to? Is it
Subtraction.
addition? Very good. It's subtraction. Thank you for your answers, Therese, Elisa, Luisa. The difference of 20 and 4.
Teacher,
Therefore,
may I be
your
excused?
answer
May I be excused?
20 mhm, minus 4. So that will be the translation of that to algebraic expression. Okay?